community tape over there. But now these houses are provided every house. And when the water is very scarce in the pipelines, they generally use donkey pumps.
Yes,
and when the donkey pump is used, it comes right through those pipelines which are, as you said,
so this is
25 and 30 years old.
This is a solution.
So how the solution is?
I mean, well, it's a solution for a stopgap solution for the time being. I mean, we realize that, you see, it's a major problem, and the solution, what you actually want to do is a long-term thing, to lay new pipelines for the water supply.
We are not saying long-term. I say that all the authorities who are responsible for this land or for these people, they should put in their money and start developing it and get it developed through the water board. That is the only answer.
But get it developed through the water board,
This
not
is what,
on their
yes,
own.
this is what my request is. Because, sir, as you have very rightly pointed out, that it is the encroachment is taking place and it is quite a far. And there used to be, in the KDA's time, which I have been going through those papers, there was a very strong police station where, which used to really force the people to get this encroachment removed. And out of these, I do understand that lines are encroached, but if I see my old total lines, then if I carry it on mileages, so those mileages are not very large on which this encroachment is there. Correct. But then wherever this encroachment, it is very crucial. That is there, it may be on a 48-inch line, which is providing water to the whole bigger area, as the one is in Bandhani Colony or Azamnagar. Now this encroachment or this Kachi Badi is right sitting onto the 48-inch dia water line.
Yeah.
Now which we repaired yesterday, about after 15 years, because for the last 15 years it was just
seeping away.
Because it was punctured at every house. So we had to really close it with the help of MNA Shoaib Bukhari Sahab. It's a great feat of his that he really persuaded the public. I think this is where the solution lies now, which Kamal Sahab is saying. That is, if the political leadership they are able to persuade the public to follow a pattern, I think we will find a solution. This too is an example. This 48-inch dia line, which was providing water to Dakhtabad and then right up to Masroor and Greg's village. Imagine. So right from here, Lyari, it is going right up to that place. So this whole water, the population which is there. So just to save them from this contamination and all that, one of the political leaders, he just took an initiative.
But now, how did you get them water when you were repairing the line?
Basically, we had used alternate means of tankers, and there were other lines which were made available. But what we did was that we announced them 2 weeks earlier, and we requested everybody. And I will just request. We requested everybody to store, and they stored.
So if you can do it there, you can do it through the
everywhere.
whole city, right?
And how?
And then you read that leadership.
But we have some of the leadership sitting here.
There. That's what I'm.
And this is what we want to ask.
And that's what I really appreciate, because this leadership has indicated this, what we are talking about.
Because now you're going to have control of the city.
Yes,
Karachi is going to belong to your party.
No, not the party, because this is a party-less election.
Well, we all know that it belongs to your party. But the point is that you have control over the party-less lot.
Yeah.
But now the point is that, are you going to be able to do what Brigadier
One thing I'm going to assure over here, that we are not going to use political means, like if population A is illegal encroachment comprised of 5,000 votes, then we say, hey, you can sit over there because we need your votes, which happened in the past, in the last 4 years. I'm very sorry to say that these cases, especially this one, is a very horrific one. And the main reason also one of that because certain Nazims of that area wanted to have a pipeline for these people.
So you're saying is you're going to have clean Nazims now?
Yeah, it passed.
Clean water.
Clean water.
Clean water,
So
clean Nazims.
we would very justifiably, but here another problem comes, that the city is divided into many agencies. Like you just said, that area where this occurrence was made was owned by railways. So to me, it is when at least 25 or 30 agencies or independent agencies, when these areas are divided among them, then how this problem is going to be solved? This is the main issue. then
But they have to get together, and it is, I mean, one is, this is the common denominator
Yeah.
amongst it all, and I think it's the most, apart from the people being the most at risk, I mean, you have the most to lose as well, because yours is the system, and it is a system which is slowly collapsing for various reasons. Old dilapidated pipes, people boring holes into them, sewage leaking, whatever. It is a system, and I think it is very essential for the board to interact with the various stakeholders and put it all together.
I think my question would be with the Brigadier Sahab. He said 70% are not paying taxes, and that's why the development is not happening. How could you raise this 70% money?
I think basically what Water Board is at this moment lacking is, I should tell you very frankly, that we have never been able to, as a government, we have never been able to develop this department.
Oh, yes.
This is where we have failed. We have been putting in money in the development of the resources in various projects, but we have never put in money in the development of this or strengthening this department. And because this being a utility department directly dealing with the life of the people, I personally believe it is much more closer to the heart of the people also. And I think the emphasis of the present government is there to look into this aspect. That is, they want to change the structure of Water Board. So we had from the federal government which says restructure Karachi Water and Sewerage Board on commercial and professional principles.
You mean you could never stop somebody's water supply if
Yes.
you're not paying for it?
Yes, we couldn't. And similarly, and it is not that people are, because in my personal view, every individual has the right on the water like an air.
Of course, it's
If
a human right.
It's a human right.
But
It's a basic of human
Brigadier
right.
Sahab, here I would disagree with you. I've been to Indian cities of Bombay and Delhi. Last month I visited. I saw their, those Kachi Abadi squatters, they call Jhompad Patti over there.
Yes, sir.
And if you would provide water connection to every house, then there will be problems because they are not paying taxes, that's to be sure.
To the community
So
tap.
like what, as I said before, that in 60s there used to be one community tape on the street. You know how this is going to, if you put connection, especially these areas, then there are chances when they start their pumps, which are generally in Karachi, they call it donkey pumps.
Suction pumps.
So
yeah.
they will suck out the water from the gutters.
Yeah.
So if you put the community tape, on every street, this is going to help a lot. This is, I'm telling you with my some experience.
Yes, I see.
By reading the newspaper, by encountering
Yeah,
this
this
thing,
is
by-
one of
by reading-
the
so
short-term
the solution lies
solutions,
here,
yes.
that when new Kachi Abadi are coming, then if you provide community, it's going to save water also, and it is also going to be save that water which is contaminated.
Because you are supplying them with the water, even though they are illegally sitting over there, but they are getting the water, and it is your department which is providing the water.
So you have control over what's
you
going
do
in.
have control.
No. But this is this word control of what is going in is not right. I'll disagree.
So you don't have treatment facilities
No. You have said that control over the water which is going into the Kachi Abadi.
going into
So
the
you don't have
community
any.
tap.
In the community tab, as the Honorable MNA was saying, that yes, these JJ clusters which are there in Delhi and Bombay, we have the knowledge about them, and these JJ clusters have those community water tanks, and they are metered and all that. So this is an organized way. What I am saying, why it is an organized way? Now, who has done it? It is those development agencies which have gone in and they have put in the money to put there. I don't get them, because whatever these JJ clusters of the Indians, or you can say Kachi Badis of Karachi, whether they were regularized or unregularized, they are paying something. So this money goes to either Sindh Kachi Badi or the Sindh City Kachi Badi. No, this doesn't come to me. You send this money to me and I'll give me the money, because they do pay for all the development charges.
So,
But nobody gives
but
me
when
the
you,
money
when you are
for-
supplying
for-
them the water, cannot you insist that they at least have some kind of a system, because you are giving them the water?
So sir, what I say, that what I am giving is the water. It is at times they force their way through and get the water. Yes, because the lines are there. They just fix a 4-inch layer and they force it through, and so they are agitating. So what I do is I just make a line of about 6 inches or 8